Hello guys,
Prakash.
good afternoon. Today I'm going to make spinach and mushroom lasagna. This lasagna is totally vegetarian. Okay, so here I have some ingredients. You can see I have a nice creamy bechamel sauce. Okay, bechamel sauce with the flavor of rich flavor of Parmesan cheese. Okay, and so here I'm going to build the lasagna. Okay. So here I have some lasagna sheet. You can see this one. It's very thin and nice lasagna sheet. Okay. As you can see, this is the base. This is the base layer of lasagna. And the next step I'm going to do is I will apply some bechamel sauce. Applying the bechamel, there is a reason because it will give nice binding, beautiful binding for the spinach. Alright, so this is the first layer. As you can see, I make it flat. The layer should be, flat, not some in some places not thick, in some places not really thin. Okay, so need to be equal level in every sides. Okay. We are ready with the first layer, so the next layer is the same what I did in the starting with the lasagna sheet. Okay. Same procedure what I did in the first. Okay, so I'll apply some bechamel sauce. Final layer. After that, I will put bechamel. Then it will be ready. Finally our spinach and mushroom lasagna is ready, so you can make it at home. It's very delicious. So thank you so much guys. Stay tuned, stay connected with my channel, subscribe if you like the videos, so stay and press the bell icon so you will receive more notifications of my new videos with delicious recipes.